I just got this kitchen rug set in the mail, and I'm so excited to have this. Hi, I'm Juno. I'm a content creator. So a lot of times I am cooking for hours, what to you looks like a simple meal, but that means I'm on my feet a lot. So I wanted a way to make that experience better on my feet, better on my back, and just also add some really nice design to the kitchen. These are super nice. There's a nice textured design to this one, and it's got the rubber backing so it won't be sliding around, so there's, you know, little risk of falling. And it's 2 in the set. So this one I'm going to place at the sink area. It's just the right size for your double sink area. And this I'm going to put at the cooking and meal prep area. So let's get these going. They really do look sharp. All right, I love them. I love the look. I think this is going to be a great addition to the kitchen, and I can't wait to be less tired after a day of cooking. I forgot to mention about these rugs is that they're machine washable, which to me is really important for something I'm going to use in the kitchen with all my cooking and spilling. So super practical, and I just think when you combine good looks with function, it's a win.